Welcome to the Mountain Classic.
It's been 15 years, guys. It's been 15 years since Clay County's won the WYMT Mountain Classic. 15. You've got a chance here tonight to bring it back home for yourself and for your community.
It's all about energy now, okay? Got to come with a lot of energy. We're where we want to be. We've got 2 good wins in this tournament. Need to make it 3. Get that 3rd win, put your name in the book, champions, 2011 champions, okay? That's where we want to be right there, okay? That's what it's all about. I'll bring it back. Teamwork on 3, JD Elizabeth. 1, 2, 3. Teamwork!
Yeah, you know what time it is. It's time to bring it. Bring it like you came to play. Bring it like you got something to prove. Because you know what? You do have something to prove. You're going to prove what you're made of. Prove what kind of heart you got in your chest. Prove to your teammates and your school and your family that there ain't no quitting this kid. You ain't got nothing but motive. Foot to the floor on every play. Representing your boys all day. No excuses, no hesitation, because it's game time. Time to get up and get the job done. Empty your tank and leave nothing inside. It's time to bring it.
And cameras on. Yes, I'm giving them what they want, but no, I will not ever conform. Cause I'm outside of the norm. Still, what a spectacular form. From the blood, sweat, and the tears shed every time I perform. And whenever you doing your thing, yep, people will hate on it usually. But I'm just as human as you. I just look good while doing it. And they're telling me I have so much dough, I won't know what to do with it. Well, until then, I'ma continue maneuvering because I am the